Hello students, welcome to my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chiute. In this video, we are going to discuss MCQs that are multiple choice questions on the topic monophasic liquid dosage form. Monophasic means single phase liquid dosage form. So let us start. Liquid preparations for internal administration includes the following categories except lotions, mixtures, elixirs or syrups. So the correct option is except lotions. All the options mentioned here can be taken internally. Mixtures supplied in one dose are called as, yes, those mixtures which are supplied in a bottle containing the one dose are called as simple mixtures, draught, potent mixtures or dilute mixtures. And the correct option is single dose mixtures are called as, yes, draught. The correct answer is draught. Concentration of sugar in simple syrup is, yes, the options are 76.6% weight by weight, 67.6% weight by weight, 66.7% weight by weight or 100% weight by weight. The concentration of sugar sucrose in the simple syrup is, yes, 66.7% weight by weight. Dash are clear, sweetened, aromatic, hydroalcoholic liquids intended for oral use. Yes, sweetened, aromatic, hydroalcoholic liquids which are taken orally. The options are mixtures, syrups, lotions or elixirs. And the correct option is, yes, elixirs. These are sweetened, clear, aromatic, hydroalcoholic liquids intended for oral use. Dash are viscous liquid and oral preparations generally prescribed for the relief of cough. And the options are linctus, mixtures, elixirs or syrups. For the relief of cough, remember, linctuses are generally prescribed. These are viscous liquid preparations intended for oral use. Dash are liquid or semi-liquid preparations meant for application to the skin with friction. So with friction, which preparations are applied to the skin? Yes, options are lotions, liniments, elixirs or linctus. So when there is a friction, when you are applying the formulation with friction, the option is, or the correct answer is liniments. Liniments are applied with friction. Dash are liquid or semi-liquid preparations meant for application to the skin without friction. See, without friction, the formulation applied to the skin is, yes, options are liniments, elixirs, lotions or linctus. And the correct answer is, yes, without friction, lotions are applied to the skin. Without friction. In the formulation of calamine lotion IP, Dash acts as an suspending agent. So when you have prepared the calamine lotion in the laboratory also, the suspending agent used was, and the options are calamine, zinc oxide, sodium citrate or bentonite. And the correct option is, here in the preparation of calamine lotion IP, bentonite acts as an suspending agent. Remember, bentonite here used as an suspending agent. Dash are to be diluted with water before their use. So when you are using, the options are mouthwash, throat paints, lotions, or liniments. So the correct answer is mouthwash are to be diluted with water before their use. Dash is used as a common vehicle in the formulation of throat paints. So when you are formulating the throat paints, the commonly used vehicle is phenol, glycerin, alcohol, or water. And the correct answer is glycerin. Why? Because it is viscous in nature, it is having the sweet taste, and it adheres to the throat, and which prolongs the duration of action. So glycerin is used as a vehicle, commonly vehicle, in the formulation of throat paints. Dash is a medicated solution meant for rinsing a body cavity. And the options are enema, gargles, douches, or throat paints. So rinsing a body cavity, medicated solution used is, yes, douches. The correct option is douches. Dash type of douches must be sterile. And the options are eye douches, ear douches, nasal douches, or vaginal douches. And the correct option is, yes, vaginal douches must be sterile. Dash are used to reduce the nasal congestion and to treat the infection. The options are nasal drops, nasal tablets, nasal solutions, or nasal sprays. And the correct answer is, yes, nasal sprays are used to reduce the nasal congestion and to treat the infections. Dash are aqueous solutions with pleasant taste and odor used to make off, clean, and deodorize the buccal cavity. And the options are enema, gargles, throat paints, or mouthwash. So to deodorize the buccal cavity, the formulation or the solution used is mouthwash. It is an aqueous solution. Dash are aqueous solutions used to prevent or treat the throat infections. When you want to treat the throat infections, the aqueous solutions used are throat paints, mouthwash, douches, or gargles. And the correct option is to prevent or to treat the throat infections. Yes, gargles are used. They need to be diluted with warm water before their use. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe, share, and like my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chute for such kind of videos. Thank you.